Hey everyone, welcome back to Crucial Minds. Today, we're diving into the world of phrasal verbs. The secret weapon to make your English sound natural, fluent, and powerful. Let's get started. Take off. To remove something. Examples: he took off his jacket because it was hot. He took off his shoes before entering the house. Turn on. To start a device. Examples: she turned on the television to watch the news. He turned on the fan as the room was very warm. Turn off. To stop a device. Examples: please turn off the lights before leaving the room. He turned off his mobile phone during the meeting. Put on. To wear something. Examples: she put on a warm sweater because it was cold. He put on his shoes before leaving the house. Look after. Take care of. Examples: she looks after her younger brother when her parents are away. He looks after the garden every morning. Bring about. Cause something to happen. Examples: the new policy brought about major changes in the system. His speech brought about a positive shift in public opinion. Carry out. Perform or execute. Examples: the scientists carried out an important experiment. The police carried out a detailed investigation. Work out. Exercise or solve. Examples: I work out at the gym every day to stay fit. He worked out the maths problems. Carry on. Continue. Examples: please carry on with your work quietly. They carried on talking even after the bell rang. Fill up. Make full. Examples: please fill up the water bottle before leaving. He filled up the fuel tank of his bike. Look for. Search. Examples: I am looking for my lost wallet. She looked for her keys everywhere. Look out. Be careful or watch. Examples: look out. There is a car coming fast. He looked out of the window at the beautiful view. Take back. Withdraw words or return. Examples: I take back what I said earlier. She took the dress back to the shop. Get up. Leave bed. Examples: she got up quickly when she heard the alarm. He gets up early to go for a walk. Pick up. Collect or lift. Examples: I will pick up my friend from the station this evening. She picked up the book from the floor. Call off. Cancel. Examples: they called off the match due to heavy rain. The manager called off the meeting at the last minute. Give up. Stop doing something. Examples: she gave up eating junk food to stay healthy. He gave up playing video games during exams. Run into. Meet unexpectedly. Examples: I ran into my old teacher at the market yesterday. She ran into her childhood friend after many years. Find out. Discover. Examples: I will find out the reason for the delay soon. She found out the truth about the incident. Bring up. Mention a topic. Examples: he brought up an important question during the discussion. She brought up the issue in the meeting. Wake up. Stop sleeping. Examples: I woke up early to prepare for the exam. He wakes up at 6 a.m. every day. Come in. Enter. Examples: please come in and have a seat. She came in quietly without making any noise. Stand up. Rise to one's feet. Examples: He stood up when the teacher entered the classroom. Please stand up and introduce yourself. Hold back. Restrain or control. Examples: she tried to hold back her tears. He held back his anger during the meeting. Check out. Examine or leave the hotel. Examples: we decided to check out the new restaurant in town. They checked out of the hotel early in the morning. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.